Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to group different shapes in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first we have to open a Word document. Then we go to the Insert menu and click Shapes drop down menu. Then choose a shape. Now I select the circle hollow shape. Then press shift on your keyboard to draw this shape perfectly. Then again go to the insert menu and click shapes drop down menu. Then apply another shape. I select the block ARC. Then draw it. Now we can see here we insert two different shapes. Now we select these multiple shapes, press shift on our keyboard and select it. Then we go to the format menu and click group option, then select group. Now we can see here we group this different shape very easily. You can change the different shape color at once. Click the different shapes and go to the format menu, then select shape fill and choose any color or use outline color. Click the shape outline and apply any outline color. Otherwise you use another shape effect, preset, shadow, reflection. I apply the reflection. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.